What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2014 Saleen Mustang. It's a GTCS, which is a California special, and for a full wrap. We're gonna be vinyl wrapping it in a purple blue iridescent, and if you guys aren't sure what an iridescent color is, it's basically a color shifting. So depending on the angle, depending on the lighting, and a few other factors, it's gonna be going back and forth between like a bluish purple color. We're also gonna be doing some gloss black accents on the mirrors, the door handles, the roof, the spoiler, as well as the side vents, just to give it a little bit of a contrast and break up that bluish purple color. We're also gonna be topping it off with 2 layers of ceramic coating to make it much easier to clean and maintain. The guys got it all cleaned up, and now it's time for disassembly, and then soon after that, we're gonna start vinyl wrapping it. We'll check back in with you guys here in just a little bit.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? We're gonna give you all a little bit of an update on this. We did get the Mustang all disassembled. We got the hood and 2 front doors done, and then we'll probably do the fenders next. With this material, we do have to lay it in one direction because it color shifts, and now I'm gonna get back to it. Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna give you all a little bit of update on this Mustang. We do have 80% of it done. All we have left are the gloss black accents, which would be door handles, mirrors, vents, and spoiler. I was gonna start on this front bumper, but after talking with Josefa, I need to do a couple more pieces. So I am gonna do a piece from this point right here to this point right here, which would cover this whole part, just because the bumper is very aggressive. I have already done a few inlays on this front bumper, but I do need to do a couple more, just because we do want the front bumper to last long and to look good.
Hey guys, while the guys are finishing up the accent pieces on the Mustang's wrap, we're gonna start coating the vehicle. So we're gonna be using Halo from D-Technique to protect the vehicle's wrap. Basically what this is gonna do is gonna help it be easier maintenance washes on it. It's gonna protect the wrap from the UV rays. make it a lot easier for the owner of the vehicle to maintain the wrap itself. That being said, we're gonna continue to coat the vehicle. The next time you guys see the vehicle, it should be fully done.
So we got the Ford Mustang all complete. We got it all wrapped up in the gloss blue purple iridescent, and it's looking really good. We also did some gloss black accents, just following some of the natural gloss black accents from the factory, such as the hood scoops. So we went ahead, we wrapped the door handles, we wrapped the mirrors, the roof, and the top of the spoiler in gloss black, as well as these side fender vents, just to tie it in, give it a little bit more of a contrast. And I personally think the gloss black makes it also look a little bit more aggressive. We also topped it off with 2 layers of ceramic coating, just to make it much easier to clean and maintain. And then that ceramic coating is also gonna have a UV protectant in it to help protect it from the sun and things of that nature. But other than that, this vehicle is all complete and it's all ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the process of us transforming this Mustang. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.